1, 2, 3, come on!
The sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me.
Hello! Another episode here in my garden. And this time, we gonna harvest some corn! This is Merlinda Kasapaw, your happy gardener living in the countryside of Australia. I visited my corn yesterday and I checked and it's ready to harvest. So, we're gonna harvest it now. The corn is up, just up there. And it's gonna be lots of fun because this is my first harvest of our corn. Let's do it.
It's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day. And it's smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts can align. And it feels so bright, it's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy.
So, these are my harvest. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 corn. Let's try to open it. I'm gonna open one. Which one is better? This one. Exciting. Here it is. I got corn. Woohoo! So I still got some baby corns here, which is good because it's only me and Albert and we cannot eat that all of it. So this is good. I will not open it because unless we cook it to let them stay fresh. By the way, thank you very much for being with me in another harvest here in the garden. Please, you know what to do. Like, leave a comment, and subscribe if you're new to my channel, and please do share. Now, we're harvesting the fruit of our labor. Remember, we just moved in like 8 months, and I've started harvesting my corn. How good is that?